Welcome to this new episode of the series on Satoshi Nakamoto's white paper, From A to Z.
B for block and for blockchain.
If you've ever heard of Bitcoin, you've probably also heard of the blockchain. But what is a blockchain, exactly? Well, it's not a physical chain like this. Instead, it's a digital ledger that records transactions in a secure and decentralized way. Every time a new transaction is made, it gets added to a block, which is then added to a chain of other blocks. So, when you use Bitcoin as a money, you're basically sending and receiving digital money. How Bitcoin keeps track of all these transactions? That's where blocks come in. A block is like a digital container holding lots of different transactions. Once a block is full, it gets added to the blockchain. Each block contains a record of several transactions, and once a block is added to the chain, it can't be changed or removed. This is what makes the blockchain so powerful. It creates a permanent and unalterable record of every transaction that has ever occurred on the network. And because the blockchain is decentralized, meaning it's not controlled by any one person or organization, it's incredibly difficult to manipulate or corrupt. In fact, in order for a new block to be added to the chain, a consensus must be reached among the members of the network. This consensus is achieved through a complex mathematical algorithm that ensures that the integrity of the blockchain is maintained at all times. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos in this series. And until then, stay free to choose.